regulations cia thukuru. Yes. Na mundu akigira form 1 especially secondary you have to sign. Riu ni rita ria mbere mundu asaina kandarathi. Leo rita ria mbere wasaina kindu binding.
Yes.
Ata you will abide by the school rules and regulations.
The katiba.
Na nitwariria twena gathaia na MC gitoero. Ohoro bigie the punitive measures iria ciatekagwo ni thukuru ugiakorio ni wahitia. No riu kuihitia wekaga. Ria thi mone principal kana mwarimu munene ri ukonekana kindu ki urabatara ri punishment ri urabatara ri ni gũconorithio
kĩrĩndĩ-inĩ
riu akianĩkwo wakora muthenya wa barĩndi ri principal ri ti ũgĩcia ni ariganĩrwo kauga and there were some two boys misbehaving. These boys don't belong here. That kind of manners is not for this school.
They don't
and I would like the following. So, Peter. Raido. Abanas. Kimemia. Come here.
Yes.
Start there. Explain to the school what you did. How you did it. Where you did it. Why you did it? And when?
Bere ado.
Yes.
Bere ya students.
Kwanja chukuru kaba yona ni inyueri na higinya mwena tukuo tutwe na giko tondu andu acio makona giko makamba magatheka.
Aunyokete.
The two musketeers. Can you start talking? Or you want us to beat you in front of everybody? Start. With your names and say what happened.
Yes.
Good morning, school. My name is Abanaski Memia. I'm in Form 2. Monomako Form 2. Form 2B. I love my school. Can you say?
I love my school.
Can you say what you did? You? Or I hit. Munamo English. It was Gaido who told me. We had been told by the teacher on duty to get the food of the staff room from kitchen. And we did mistake. We are sorry. Stop apologizing. Can you explain?
Yes.
What happened? Maybe Gaido can he say better? Gaido. You are a bunch of comedians. Good evening, morning. Solly. Good morning. We make mistake. Me and Kimemia. We Tagirira. Food of teachers. What is Tagirira? It is putting hard in food of teachers. But we are sorry. It was ngaragu.
What is ngaragu?
Ngaragu is that stomach. Stomach. So Kimemia say if we take litro, nobody shall know. Problem, as you know, problem is when you start.
Yes.
Stop is hard. How many chapatis did you eat for the teachers? Me or us? You? Me, I take only 5. Kimemia 8.
Nĩ cio litro.
Principal kora rĩu nĩ amũcambithio kũigana akauga akahũkĩra arimũ. These boys,
Yes.
they had been sent for food for the teachers. They decided to enjoy the meal themselves. There were 23 chapatis from the kitchen. When they got here, there were only 4. They had consumed them, and luckily, Mr. Barr found them hiding behind the cow shed, enjoying the delicacy.
So how many chapatis? 18.
So now I am saying,
Yes.
these ones hii minyoo yao watapeleka shule ingine. Huku hakuna nafasi ya minyoo.
Gũconorithio reloaded.
Sikuweka mtu andu ajoka. So minyoo squad. Otocho, hiyo ndio yale leo tribunal ya thiko hizi.
Yes.
Ito what of inquiry? Commission of
Si okay.
This one na hata hawana mwili.
Andũ ajoka thaa 10 atigaria ndagĩka 16.
Mathaa ũkĩmenyithio nĩ